So you might be trying to figure out how you can go through and use the Health application on your iPhone. Now the Health app is one that's built in right inside of your iPhone, so you don't have to mess around with anything or do anything like that. It's built in right inside of your device. Now to use the Health application, what you're going to want to do is you want to go ahead and open up the Health app. It's the application that looks like there's a heart on it. So you can go ahead and just open it up just like this. Now what you're going to want to do is there's a couple of different tabs here to kind of understand. So as soon as you open it up for the first time, you're going to see this main page. It's going to have summary right up here. Your profile icon is going to be in the top right corner where you can go through and modify some of your settings. You have access to everything and you can access and basically export your health data right at the very bottom. Now on top of that, you have your steps here. So you can go through and edit up how this particular page looks by clicking the edit button. But in this case, normally you're going to have your steps page up here with how many steps your device is giving you. You're going to have your health data right here, which is really nice. You can go through and see and notice the trends that you have. So you can go through and basically modify all the trends. If there's any trends that are noticeable, you're going to be able to see that information right there. Under highlights, you're going to be able to go through and see basically what your calorie burn has been. So you can see in all of 2025, my average calorie day burn was 0.39 calories. So that's kind of interesting. You can see in 2024, I burned 9.5 calories every day. So that probably isn't too accurate, but you can see like the highlights you can get. The best thing is you can also tap into these panels to get a little bit more of a breakdown. So within here, you can swipe through here and see basically the past couple steps that you've gotten every single day. Your highlights down here can give you a little bit more information, and usually at the bottom, they'll give you some more energy apps that you can download to kind of modify it and kind of track it a little bit more. Hopping back out, like I said before, the same thing can be done on the steps portion as well. You can tap on it and see how many steps you've gotten on all your devices. Now scrolling down, you can see there's a few more things that Apple sometimes tells you to kind of set up. If you have your medical ID, you can set that up. Your records here, you can set that up, and you can log your emotions, you can log your sleeping, and there's also articles at the very bottom that kind of break it down a little bit more for you. And as always, there's a few applications you can kind of download and install at the very end. Now there's also this little sharing option right here. If you want to share your health stats, share your steps that you're getting, all those things, you can go ahead and share that within the health application. So if I want to, I can go ahead and share with someone. So I can click here and I can share it with a contact that I have. Or if I want to, I can also go through and I can ask someone to share. So I can go through and message somebody if I want to via this and have them share their information with me if I want to. And then at the very end, you will have this browse button. So this browse button allows you to go and see the different health categories that are currently available. So within here, all I'm really going to have to do is if I want to, I can go through and modify my activities. So if I want to, I can click on activity if I want to, and I can see like the different activities that I have, my resting energy, these types of things. My body measurements, I can go and modify these things as well if I want to. I can go back, my cycle tracking, I can go and modify my cycle tracking, if I have that, and so many other things here. So you can go through and kind of keep your own records here if you want to, and it is actually really nice that you can go through and just kind of like modify these things and kind of add them here and there if you want to. It is actually a really, really nice thing to have. So that is basically how to use the health application. It's pretty basic. There's not anything super insane. You have the ability of seeing and viewing your stats, sharing your information, and even, kind of documenting and kind of inputting information this way as well. So that's basically how it works. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. The like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.